feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I own you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turned around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settled in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things aren't looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
We're in the city of Chicago. Second stop on our way to the P&T. Beautiful day by Lake Michigan, absolutely stunning. Great vibe to the city, lots of people out walking, jogging, tourists, people going about their day. It's a great place. It was a very foggy day yesterday. Believe it or not, yesterday those buildings were completely shrouded in fog at the top. You couldn't even see them. Yes, enjoying Chicago. We're only 11 City Diner. We arrived with 5 minutes to spare before they stopped taking orders. I've got a milkshake. I think we've got our work cut out for us with these sandwiches. Pastrami, rare roast beef with fries.
Hello, how you doing? Thank you. Hello, how you doing?
Which is genuine Chicago deep dish pizza joint, enjoying the ambience. So, Chicago deep dish pizza, we'll see how it goes.
If the bus driver had stopped where he's supposed to stop, we wouldn't be wet.
That's wet in! That's ridiculous!
This is the hostel, you come into this room, and then there's a kitchen in there, 4 rooms in here, share a bathroom. This is our room here, pretty small double bed. Do have a view out over the train tracks, which is pretty good. This is what you get for about 125 American dollars plus tax in Chicago. It's been okay, there's an adequate breakfast. Really good location, so it's been quite central for getting around places, which has been really good.
They opened up the Chicago Bean for us at 7 AM this morning. Pretty iconic kind of a sight. Pretty weird thing. It's just been refurbished, so it's pretty clean. Pretty trippy inside. I just about run into the thing. Creates cool reflections.
In Chicago, and just got a new phone. The other one had no memory left, so I've just had the Apple experience.